So this is the offending dryer vent. And this is the back of my house. And here is the storage unit where the offending dryer vent comes. You can see it attaches into this wall here. Just FYI, this wall is behind my condo. It does not attach to my condo. Give me a second. All right. And just so you can see it, this is my storage room in my area. There is no washer or dryer back here. No dryer vent hose. My dryer, excuse the messy house. I was not anticipating having to do this today. My dryer is here and vents toward the front of my house through my utility closet and out the front. So the offending dryer vent is my next door neighbor's and not mine. Thanks.